Day day number 4 of sanding today. Yesterday we only did about maybe just under half a day. We ended up getting drunk, so we did about half a day, and then we came back to the condo and we had a few more drinks. So yesterday was kind of a write-off, but today we got to finish everything because the ground is covered in that paint that we removed, and we were asked by the marina to keep it clean. We tried as best as we can, but I mean, what are you gonna do with the dust? We asked them for canvas for the floor. They never put it in, so we had to use different canvas on afterwards, with all the stands that are in the way. It's kind of hard to lay it flat on the floor, so we're trying our best, but it's dirty. So we got to get everything done today so that I can start vacuuming the floor underneath the boat and clean it up as best as we possibly can before they show up tomorrow to work, because today they're off. It's Sunday. So that's the deal today. Today we got to finish up the sanding. Day number 4. I think 4 days is more than enough. So let's get it done today. Peter has already sent me a text that he's going to be at the marina for 8:30. It's now 7:30. I'm on my way right now, so I'll get about an hour head start. Set everything up, all the equipment, all the machines, so that and then start sanding, so when he gets there everything is ready for him, and he can get on the grinder, and because he's doing the first layer now. The first layer is really hard to remove with the sander, so he's doing that with the grinder, and then I'm removing the second layer, which is much easier with the sander. So that's it. That's the plan for today, and try to take some more video of that too. Most of the boat is done. A couple small spots to go over, plus behind these things once we move them. Yep. But everything is pretty much done. Alright. Start coming. Now the hard work, and there you go. Next thing we do is paint. The rudder has to be sanded down as well. And that's it. There she is. Ready for a new bottom job, new paint job. So the next thing we're doing here now is painting the squares around those. So when we move them over, they're already painted. Some people just paint all around, and then once the boat is ready to go in the water, on the sling, they paint it and then put it right in the water, and then the water washes the paint away. Day 5 of sanding, and we actually painted the where the pads are. So right next to the pads we painted 2 black squares, and today we're going to get them to move the pads over to where the black squares are, because that's already painted, and then we're going to more sanding right underneath the pads. And then what else? We're going to wash the boat, water, vinegar to get all the dirt off, and then we got to paint. Cutlass bearing is supposed to be removed today. It was supposed to be removed on Saturday, but the guy never showed up, so hopefully today he will. So cutlass bearing need to be removed and a new one installed. Put the prop back up. The what else? The rudder needs to be put back up again as well, and hopefully Joey will start the arch today. He was supposed to start on Friday, but that never happened, and then Saturday, and that never happened. He never even showed up on Saturday. And then so today, hopefully today that gets started, and we're out of that place by Thursday. I'm hoping to be out of there by Thursday. Oh, and I gotta order another gallon of paint. That paint is like $350 for a gallon. That's crazy. So 2 gallons to paint the bottom of the boat. That's $700. That's just for the paint. What else? That's it. That's all for today. I'll take some more video later on and show you guys what we've accomplished. Day number 5 is complete. I'm going home right now to shower. I look like a mess. Finished sanding everything and put on the first coat of bottom paint. It's got it's a black paint, hard paint, and it's got 70% copper in it, so less growth, and it'll last longer. We'll go and take a shower and relax, maybe have a beer or two, because I am beat. I am completely beat, and we still got lots of work to do, so time to chillax a little bit. Alright, so today we have a day off from the boat, and by day off meaning we're not doing any work on the boat today. Waiting for more paint to arrive. Finished painting 1 coat yesterday, so just waiting on more paint to arrive. That'll arrive today, and apply it tomorrow morning. We're gonna apply the paint first thing in the morning when it's not so hot, and this way we can work outside because it gets too hot. But so today we are going pawn shop hopping to look for tools and things that we can use. If I can find a dinghy in one of the pawn shops, that would be like woo, bonus. So we went to see a dinghy in Sebastian. I'm not sure about it. It's an AB hard bottom dinghy. Probably pick it up for about $150, but it doesn't look good. It looks like crap, and it's got one leak in it that I don't know. I think I prefer to get a solid fiberglass dinghy and not have to worry about filling up air. So that's what we're gonna look for, solid fiberglass. But today we are pawn shop hopping, and let's see what kind of deals we can find. So if we find something, we'll keep you posted. Finished painting today. Here's the paint. So just finished doing that now. Second coat. Did first coat yesterday, or sorry, 2 days ago. Yesterday we had a day off yesterday. Here it is. Nicely freshly painted. Just finished the second coat right now, so the water line still has to come out, the tape, for a nice clean cut water line. I'm gonna wait for the paint to dry to do that, and that's it. Joey started working on the arch yesterday. There's nothing there now, but there was an arch up there yesterday, so he measured it all, and now the arch is in his in the shop. Shop is right over there, so it's getting welded and then put back on. Cutlass bearing has been replaced, zinc installed, and prop back in. So that's it. Just the arch, and take the boat back to Vero Beach, to the marina. I'm going back to the marina right now to see how far Joey got on that arch. Hoping that there's some progress. there's still so much work to do. I'm still waiting on a call from the guy from Fort Lauderdale with the Watermaker. I'm getting one for about $1,600, so that's put a good deal on one, but and brand new as well. So he's just waiting on a pump. So I'm waiting for him to get that and then call me up. I go down to Fort Lauderdale, pick that up, and still gotta install it. Still gotta get a battery bank, install the solar panels on top, and the wind power generator. So we'll see how that all works out. So I'm sitting here with Joey. Joey's the one that's building my my arch here at Riverside Marina in Fort Pierce, and so far it is looking beautiful. Look at that. Some fitting going on, and yeah, so it's probably going to go up over the next day or two, and it's going to look great, right? Yeah. Looking forward to it. Hurricane Michael right now is hitting the coast of Florida, the western coast of Florida, and I'm on the eastern coast of Florida right now in Vero Beach. I am driving towards Cocoa Beach right now, just about an hour north. But if you look out the window like this, look at this right there, you can actually see some of the clouds from the outer rim of the hurricane. These are the clouds. You can tell. It might not be easy to see on the camera, but in person you can actually see the clouds going in a circle, kind of like a rim kind of thing. So we're seeing the effect of Michael right here on the eastern coast. It hasn't rained yet. It's supposed to rain, but we're safe on the east coast, so we're fine over here. So that's great. Feel really bad for the folks on the west coast, but hopefully they'll all be okay. This is very interesting. Anyhow, I'm going up to Cocoa Beach right now to look at a dinghy, and it's a hard dinghy, so fully refurbished. I don't know, we'll see what this thing looks like. According to the pictures, it looks okay. Big storage in the front, and not a bad price either, so I'll let you know how much if I decide to buy it. Alright, so I just bought a hard dinghy right over here. So this is going over to the Bahamas with us, and that's going to be our tender. There's the shell right there. These two outboards come with it, but I'm gonna get rid of these. So yeah, it's gonna get delivered to the marina tomorrow, and around noon. So I paid him an extra $60 for delivery. This was only $400, by the way, so very good price. I'm gonna get rid of the outboards. I don't need them. I don't need the outboards, so I'll get rid of those. I'm not sure what I'll get for them, but whatever I get for them, I'll that's off what I paid for it, so can't complain. Back to the boatyard now to have a look at the arch, see what how far we're in, and when we can expect it to be installed. So here's the yard. Right there, I hear the welding going on. That means arch is being welded. Alright, there it is. Next time on Blu Bayou, we get the dinghy delivered. We mix up a batch of foam to put underneath the seat to give it a little bit more buoyancy. Find you a man that likes to go for nice romantic walks on the beach. And we finally show you what the apartment looks like.
And remember folks, if you like these videos, please share, like, and most importantly, subscribe. See you next week.